Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today we'll show you how to remove and replace a fan clutch. Okay, we'll do it on any vehicle. Most of them are about the same way. We'll show you on that Mercedes right here, but almost all of them are identical. So we'll show you this one. The clutch is actually stuck, so the fan is super loud and it's engaged all the time. So let's go ahead and start it now and you'll be able to hear it. Okay, listen to it now. Okay, and the vehicle is cold right now, so it shouldn't even be on at all, but it's a faulty clutch, so we definitely need to replace it. Okay, that's the fan right here. So that's the clutch, okay, the aluminum piece behind it. So that's the thing that we need to remove, and you can see that big nut, it attaches to the water pump. So now we need to get a wrench that fits that nut. Usually it's about 36mm on this Mercedes, and most of them are. Okay guys, so we're going to remove the dipstick now because it is in the way. Most of the fans, you take them loose. It's a normal thread, going counterclockwise you get it loose. But some, if there is actually notches on top right here, it's marked on every single angle. It might go the opposite way. So you need to just check this thing. Okay, ours is like that. Make sure the filter box is out of the way, and there is a special wrench that you can hold the water pump pulley, but most of the time with the hammer and a big wrench you can take it off. Okay, you can see one time when we took it off, and if the airbox is in the way, remove that one so you don't break it. Okay, and now you can just go ahead and unscrew the whole fan. Okay, just like that. Okay, need to get it out of there now. And that's the fan. Now we need to replace the clutch on it. Okay, so now with the hex key we need to remove 3 bolts. Most of them, guys, are the same. Just a few companies make the clutches on this one, and this one is aftermarket one, and it's not a high quality one. That's why it failed. So we have original but second hand here, made by Sachs, made in Germany. And this one is pretty much done. I mean, it looks good, but it's not working the way it's supposed to be. And all we have to do is just install the 3 bolts now and install the fan. All we have to do is install it, get it tight now, and at the end we need to hit it with the hammer and the wrench again, but make sure you don't break anything. If anything is in the way, just go ahead and remove it. Okay, getting it tight now. It's way easier if you have the tool, but if you don't, that works too. Just make sure it's not loose, because otherwise it will go through the radiators and that will cost you big money. Okay, let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like now. Okay, that's perfect. Now all we hear is just the engine and not the fan. But make sure it works. When it gets hot, it needs to activate too, so you know that the clutch is good.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.